Planning to buy a new luxury car? Feels great! Buying a new luxury car is one of the most exciting and enjoyable things you can do. But before you take your new car for that first drive, there are a few speed humps you'll need to go through. Spend days running around dealer to dealer trying to find the best deal. Research and test drive on each car to suit your budget and needs. Look around for that exact car you want in terms of make, model, color and options. Then there is finance to arrange and all the paperwork to do. On top of that, what do you do with your old car? So much confusion, right? But don't worry. Now there is a better way to buy your next new luxury car and enjoy the ultimate luxury experience. Introducing Highline Automotive, India's first comprehensive luxury car buying concierge service. At Highline, we help you find the right luxury car, assist with all the research, tips, tools and information, schedule a test drive at the comfort of your home or office, and get you the car you want at the best price guaranteed. As a new luxury car buyer, you're looking for that extra information with a focus on market price, features, discounts, right down to depreciation and running costs like fuel and servicing. We don't follow any sneaky sales tactics and in fact get you access to special offers and exclusive discount benefits. There may be many luxury car dealers in your area, but all that makes your job more confusing. You don't want to waste your valuable time by visiting dealer to dealer, haggling on the pricing and still be unsure whether you got the best deal or not. So how do we do it? Highline Automotive works as your own independent car buying advocate, and through our network of trusted car dealers and our fleet buying power, we guarantee to get you the best price. At Highline Automotive, we offer a professional service with all the research, unbiased advice, best price, competitive finance rates, comprehensive vehicle insurance, test drive and delivery services, special offers and unlimited discount benefits. Still don't believe us? Let's meet Sahil. Sahil is a man of action. He gets things done and he does it right. Sahil works as a senior VP for a big multinational company in Delhi and is a very busy man. Sahil had so many questions. Why Jaguar XF? Lease or finance? Which insurance coverage? And various warranty packages. He wished there was someone or something that could help him. Luckily, he came to know about Highline Automotive, a place with a comfortable environment, no haggling and great prices. We at Highline Automotive answered all his questions, offered him a detailed comparison, presented competitive pricing, got him the best deal on his new dream Jaguar XF and saved both his time and money so that he can focus on doing what he loves. And the great thing is, we are totally independent and you make the savings. We provide you with an individual tailored service and a friendly, unbiased advice to get you the car you want at the best price possible. Guaranteed. When you hire Highline Automotive, you will receive a personal service and your new car delivered to your doorstep with the best price guaranteed. So hey, why not get in touch with our experts and begin a journey of buying that awesome new dream luxury car you always wanted. Just like Sahil, you can also join our long list of happy customers. To get the best deal and the ultimate luxury car buying experience, call us today or visit our website for more information.